Good afternoon everyone, welcome to my garden. Today I finished sowing all my seeds for autumn. As you can see here, there's some kale, some lettuce, this is not chili, it's actually spinach, there's silver beet, cauliflower and some broccoli in here. Basically right now we're just planting my winter/autumn garden. Here is the bed I just cleared of the tomato, which you can see still one more growing here. But this is probably where I put all of my broccolis, cauliflowers and stuff like that. And then over here there's some spring bulbs growing in there. This last one here, see? Very big tomato. And over here in this big sort of a cage here, we're just gonna have the peas sitting around this so it can grow up. And over here I've sowed some purple carrots. That's it for today's update. It is the 14th of April today and some of the seedlings have popped out, so it looks like none of the lettuce germinated, so I might have to re-sow that. There's one spinach here. All the silver beet seems to be doing really well. There's the cauliflower and that one's the kale. I only sowed 3, so there's only 3, and then this one's the broccoli. And over here we have the peas. Some of them are popping out, but I feel like some are missing, so I might have to re-sow some along this side. And finally, some of the carrots are starting to pop out as well. There's been lots of slugs and snows recently, so I've been covering all these seedlings with the cans at night, like this, just so they don't eat them. So we're gonna sow the lettuce first. I don't know why it did not pop out. Alright, just cover it up. Hopefully this time it will come up. It's getting colder now since it's in April. And we also got to re-sow the peas. So here are the peas, but I think I'm only going to re-sow 3 seeds because it's only on the side that it hasn't popped up. Probably like one here, one next to the pole, and then one over here. Seems about right. Okay. Last one. Alright, let's cover it up. All done. Alright, I'll give you an update in a few days. Alright, it is nighttime now, so we're trying to catch all of the little slugs and stuff like that. There's one. They're actually eaten through my tomato here, one of the last tomatoes. Didn't get to taste it, but it's okay. They're like acting like a bait sort of. Everyone's going towards them. You can see over here there's like so many. Last night we caught about like 100, so I think tonight we're gonna keep going and catch them all. Just giving a quick update today. It is currently, let's see, May 16th. Yeah, the peas are growing really well. The first flowers have appeared. Try to get a focus. They're all climbing up my trellis, and over here the carrot patch is doing pretty well. My mandarin tree, the fruit is starting to grow larger, especially this one over here, so maybe it will provide some good fruit this year. Most of the tomatoes have died, and some of my spring fireballs has come up. I planted the kale and the broccoli, however 2 of them seems to have been eaten by some slugs because of this wet weather that we had. And we're just going to plant the rest of the seedlings in the next couple of days. It's a nice sunny day today. Just giving you guys an update on the garden. I've planted out the silver beet. I don't remember if this was broccoli or kale, but it is growing well. However, there's a lot of snail and slug damage. I'm trying to get them all, and I'm just covering them with these yogurt pots at night. My bulbs are coming up. You can see the flowers forming. And here's the other part of the silver beet, just covering with the salad box, also to prevent slugs, which actually seems to be going well, as you can see. My pepper's looking a bit battered. Yeah, just going along here. I just harvested my first pea a few days ago. Tasted really nice. You can see here, they're starting to produce more and more, just climbing up this trellis here I've got. And over here, finally got the carrots growing pretty well. Could probably harvest them in about 10 weeks or so. And my mandarins are nicely oranging. This is the second year they've been producing fruit, so it might taste pretty good this year. Overall, just start trimming the garden. As you can see, some of the rose clippings. And that's all for today's update.